parole and removal proceedings, can I travel outside of the United States if I am in removal proceedings? The answer is it depends. First, let's define who is in removal proceedings. A person is in removal proceedings if their case is still pending with immigration court, BIA, or federal court. If they have been granted the voluntary departure, but they never left within that time period allocated by immigration court or the judge. If they've been granted withholding of removal or convention against torture, if they've been granted stay of removal, those type of individuals are still in removal proceedings unless they terminate their removal proceedings. So when it comes to advance parole, when a person is in removal proceedings, the procedure is different. USCIS does not have jurisdiction over I-131. In other words, USCIS cannot grant you that I-131 petition. If by mistake they grant you that I-131 petition, advance parole, then what's going to happen later if they verify the facts and they find out that you are in removal proceedings, they are either going to terminate that or deny you entry or place you under supervision so you can explain yourself how you left. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Or place you again in removal proceedings so that you can defend yourself. So what you're going to have to do if you're in removal proceedings and want to travel outside, you have to try to terminate removal proceedings, or so that you can ask USCIS to adjudicate your I-131 petition for advance parole, or you can go directly to ICE and ask them permission to travel. They're the one who has the authority to grant you that if you are in removal proceedings. And there's a little exception to other people who have, let's say, conditional green card or green card, and they find themselves in removal proceedings. Their green card is still, in other words, valid until the decision becomes final, right? So they can still travel under that green card because technically it's still valid until the final decision of the immigration judge. But still, we do not advise that because there's a lot of risks, okay? A lot of risk involved in that traveling outside when someone is in removal proceedings. The better way to go about it is to, terminate removal proceedings and ask USCIS to adjudicate your petition for advance parole by filing the form I-131. If you need a consultation with me, please schedule it by using a consultation link in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.